Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what makes Starling Bank different from traditional banks. Starling Bank is a digital-only bank, which means it has no physical branches. This is the most significant difference from traditional banks. Because they don't have the overhead of maintaining a physical presence, they can pass those savings on to their customers through competitive rates and low fees. Starling's entire banking experience is built around its mobile app. You can open an account in minutes, manage your finances on the go, and get real-time notifications for every transaction. The app offers a range of innovative features like spaces to help you save for specific goals, categorized spending insights to help you budget, and a bills manager to separate money for your recurring payments. Another key difference is Starling's approach to international banking. They offer fee-free spending and ATM withdrawals abroad and use the real MasterCard exchange rate without adding any markup. This makes it a great option for travelers and anyone who deals with multiple currencies. Starling also has a strong focus on security and customer support. They use advanced security features like biometric ID and in-app card controls. And while they don't have branches, they offer 24/7 customer support via phone, email, and in-app chat. They are a fully licensed and regulated bank, just like the traditional ones, and your deposits are protected by the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.